Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by losing power to the circuit and confirming it's dead with a non-contact tester, safety first. Next, you strip back the jacket about 1.5 inches and remove 3/8 inch of insulation from each conductor so connectors fit properly. Make sure you have the correct gauge and polarity. The reason is consistent contact and heat prevention. Once done, align conductors straight, twist them lightly, and prepare for the splice. This is where reliability begins. You now make the mechanical and electrical join. Choose a connector rated for the gauge and outdoor/indoor use. Strip consistent lengths, then twist matching conductors clockwise. This ensures they seat firmly. Insert into the connector and either crimp or tighten per manufacturer torque values. This prevents high resistance. After securing, slide heat shrink or individual insulation over each conductor, shrink if applicable, and then cover the entire splice with tape or an outer heat shrink sleeve to restore jacket integrity. You finish by testing. Restore power and verify continuity and correct polarity with a meter, then apply normal load and observe for warmth or odor. If everything stays cool and readings match, secure the cable with strain relief and tidy the run. If you detect heat, flicker, or a blown fuse, shut power off immediately. Most faults come from a loose crimp or wrong connector size. In that case, cut back to clean conductors, redo the splice with proper hardware, and retest to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.